Hello everyone. I know my face cam's well, how would you say it? I guess laggy is the word for it. But anyway, how's everyone doing this morning? I hope everyone's doing well. It's like 9:46 a.m. for me right now, so I've been up for a couple of hours by now. Well, I've been up for a couple of hours now. I just want y'all probably already know by the title of this video. I'm doing an update video for the WinRAR. The last how to install the WinRAR video was good, but you couldn't quite understand me. So I've improved my mic audio settings since then. So I figured I should do an update one and just go in. It should be better. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer over to desktop, which is for right here. I know this is different right here. This is actually the LSPDFR police vehicle. It's a modded vehicle. It's off of the realistic Los Angeles Police Department police car. So that's it's pretty obvious. That's what it looks like. It's off of this car is off of lspdfr.com. So now I'm going to show you how to install WinRAR. Now, some of you might be asking, what would you need WinRAR for? Well, you need WinRAR to open like modded download file games. Like if I go to my file store, I don't think I have any. Well, just say you're modding Ready or Not, and you go to Ready or Not, and you need to open that file because you need to unzip it. So you go here, you type in WinRAR, WinRAR. You go to WinRAR download. You go to this first link. I think it should pop up there. The first link, and then you want to hit the blue WinRAR 6.11 English 64-bit, or go ahead and choose what bit your computer runs it on, operates it on, and it should be good. Now you also have a paid version, but I don't recommend the paid version because the free version is the blue one, but it still gives you the same stuff. So this will finish downloading, and then you will be able to open it. So I'll let this complete downloading, and then after that I'll be back and show you how to open it after it finished downloading onto your computer. Alright guys, now that it's finished downloading, after it finished downloading, you can open your files. There's actually another way if you don't want to do it that way. You can also go to this, and you can hit your little three buttons icon thing here. Is where it says settings and more key. Open that one, and you go down to downloads, and it should be right there, and you can open it by there. And then there's also another way. If you go to your file store and type it into your search bar, or just go to your taskbar and go to file store, go to downloads, and then there it is. You double click on that, and then it will open up right here. You hit yes on that pop-up, you click install, install, and then you would modify this if you want to modify it. I recommend don't do anything with this, just leave it default and just hit OK, and then just hit done from there. And then you can close all of that out, close those file stores out, and then you can also open it by going to the WinRAR on your search bar, WinRAR, hit enter, and then it'll pop up, and this will pop up. This is where you can get the paid version if you want the paid version. So the paid version is like $20 You'll pay $20.30 as it says there, which is almost, it's 30% off this month, I think it is. It's a one-time offer, okay. So, I've never got the paid version before. I never want it. I like this one. And then there's your WinRAR. So if you want to, like, I don't know, mod some games that you can mod, like LSPDFR or Ready or Not, you just go to the, as an example, we'll go to Ready or Not Nexus Mods, and then you'll go here and you'll click on the Ready or Not NexusMods.com link. You'll go in here, you'll find a mod that you like, so say I like this one, you'll click on that one, you'll go to Files, and then you'll hit manual download, and then you'll hit slow download, because I don't have the paid version for this one also, so I hit the slow download, which is not really that slow sometimes, and then this will go ahead and install and download. This won't take long, and then it'll pop open, then you hit open file, and then it unzips it. So this is what WinRAR does. For those who don't know, it unzips the file. Now if you don't have File Explorer, then it doesn't unzip it. So there you go. That's Ready or Not mod file. I can also show y'all what does it look like if you unzip it with no WinRAR. So let's get ready. I'll uninstall it, for example, for y'all, so y'all can see what happens to it. So we'll go ahead and hit uninstall and hit yes on that pop-up. Yes. So I'll show y'all what happens now. If I go to my files or go to downloads and then hit open on this, this is what happens. You can't actually open this because you don't have a WinRAR. You can only open with this one, Internet Explorer, Notepad, open with GX, Internet Browser, Print, Windows, Microsoft. So you can basically run through these. WinPower, whatever that is. So basically you have to have WinRAR on your PC to actually open these modded files up. I did just hit my keyboard on accident like that. So I'm going to go back and install it back on my computer real quick. Let this load up. Takes a little bit sometimes, and then I'll just click install again. And then open the file. Hold on guys, give me 1 minute here. Alright, install. I gotta install again. Just hit OK, done, and then it's basically back installed on your computer. Basically, if you want to install anything, any kind of apps or anything, if you go to your search bar on your computer and hit ADD, is all you have to hit, and it's say add or remove platforms or programs or something like that says. And if you go here and go right here to the search this list, hit that, and or you can go through here and find what you want to uninstall. But basically is what this does. You can basically if you know the name of whatever game folder or app or even game that you want to uninstall, you just type it into the search bar and you can just click and install on the app. It's a very simple tool. I like it. And then for those that don't know, you have Windows 10 and you want to turn on your dark mode. If you go to your settings, go down to where it says this one right here. If you click on that one, I think it's that one. Hold on, let me make sure. Yes, if you click on that one and go to, actually it's not that one. Excuse me, I think it's This one. Uh, I don't know. Which one is it? Well, anyway, I tell you what, well, actually, it's an easier way. If you double click on your mouse button, you go to, if you, I think, right click on your mouse button and go down to properties, hit properties and go down to color. And then this is how you switch from light mode, dark mode, and then you can custom, customize this the way that you want. I like pick it on dark mode. And then if you open your file explorer, it's on dark mode. And then if you even go to your YouTube browser, and let this load up, it actually has this dark mode theme. So I like that. Alright guys, it's some noise going on outside and I have my window open, letting some fresh air come in, so that's probably what y'all hear with the noise and stuff. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all coming out for this video, watching this whole tutorial video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, and share this video out with your friends, family members, people like them. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Stay safe as always. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.